Lucas, you don't look well this morning. I feel really tired, Mom. Does anything hurt? My throat hurts a lot. Oh, no. Let me feel your forehead. Is it hot? Yes, you feel warm. I think you have a fever. Do I have to go to school today? No, school can wait. We need to see a doctor. A doctor? Will it hurt? Don't worry. The doctor just wants to help you feel better. Okay, but I'm a little scared. That is totally normal. I will be right there with you. Will you hold my hand? Of course I will. Now let's get you ready. Can I bring my stuffed bear? Yes, bring your bear. He can come too. Thank you, Mom. I feel a little better already. Hello, we have an appointment for Lucas Green. Mom, there are a lot of people here. Yes, but we will not wait too long. That poster has a big friendly giraffe on it. Yes, it does. Do you like it? It makes me feel a little less scared. Good. Look, there is even a toy box over there. Can I play with the toys while we wait? Sure, just stay where I can see you. Okay, Mom, I won't go far. They said the doctor will call us in about 10 minutes. 10 minutes is not so long. Exactly. See? Nothing to worry about. Mom, do doctors always wear white coats? Most doctors do, yes. It helps you know who they are. I think I want to be a doctor when I grow up. That is a wonderful idea, Lucas.
Hi there. You must be Lucas. My name's Dr. Patel.
Hello, Doctor. This is my bear. His name is Biscuit.
Hello, Biscuit. It's nice to meet you both.
Are you going to give me a shot?
Not today. I just want to check how you are feeling.
My throat really hurts when I swallow.
I see. And you have a headache, too?
Yes, a little bit. And I feel very tired.
Thank you for telling me. You are being very brave.
Mom said you are here to help me.
That is exactly right. That is my job.
How do you know what is wrong with me?
I use special tools to look inside your ears, mouth, and nose.
That sounds interesting, actually.
Would you like to see one of my tools first?
Yes, please. Is it scary looking?
Not at all. It has a tiny light inside. Very cool, right?
Wow, it is like a tiny flashlight.
Exactly. Now I'm going to look in your ears, okay?
Okay, I will try to sit very still.
Perfect. You are doing great, Lucas. Now open your mouth wide and say, ah, ah. Very good. Your throat looks quite red.
Is that bad?
It means your body is fighting an infection.
My body is fighting like a superhero?
Exactly like a superhero. Your body works very hard for you.
So, what do I need to do to get better?
You need rest, lots of water, and some medicine.
I don't like the taste of medicine.
This one tastes like strawberries, I promise.
Oh, strawberries are my favorite.
Then you are in luck. Now let me check your temperature.
Is the thermometer cold?
Just a tiny bit. Hold still for a few seconds.
Done. That was not so bad.
Your temperature is 38.5 degrees. That confirms a fever.
So the strawberry medicine will help?
Yes, and you should start feeling much better in 2 days.
2 whole days?
I know, it feels long, but your body needs that time to heal.
Okay, I trust you, Dr. Patel.
That means a lot to me. You were a perfect patient today.
Lucas has a bacterial throat infection. Oh dear, is it serious?
It is common and very treatable. No need to worry. What medicine should he take? I am writing a prescription for an antibiotic right now. How many times a day should he take it? Give him 1 spoon in the morning and 1 spoon at night.
Should he stay home from school?
Yes, please keep him home for 2 days.
What should he eat while he's sick?
Warm soup and soft foods are best for a sore throat.
He loves chicken soup. That will be easy.
Perfect, and make sure he drinks plenty of water.
Of course. When should we come back?
Come back in 5 days if he is not feeling better.
And if his fever gets very high?
Call the clinic right away if his fever goes above 39.5.
Okay, I will watch his temperature carefully.
You are doing a wonderful job taking care of him.
Thank you so much, Dr. Patel.
He will be running around and playing again very soon.
That is great news. We really appreciate your help today.